Hello guys, today we'll be talking about solubility of a salt. Do you know that not all salts are soluble in water? Those that are soluble in water, we call them soluble salt. Those that remains at the bottom of the container are known as insoluble salts. Today I'll be explaining the rules guiding the solubility of some of these salts. First of all, you need to know that salts that contain nitrates, triazonitrate 5 radicals, are always soluble in water. That is one rule. Rule number 2, salts that contains group 1 element, the likes of potassium, lithium, sodium, they are usually soluble in water, irrespective of the radical attached to it. Now, let me show you a simple solubility of a salt. Let's take for instance sodium chloride, our common table salt, NaCl. So when you drop it in a container, add little water to it. What happens? The salt disappears. That shows that sodium chloride is highly soluble in water, irrespective of the temperature. Now, let's change that to another salt. So I'll be using copper 2 triazocarbonate 4. Copper 2 triazocarbonate 4. Here's it. When you drop it inside the container, let's add water to it. When you add water to it, what happens? It remains at the bottom of the container. That shows that this salt is insoluble in water. Irrespective, let's increase the temperature and see to allow it to boil. Even at high temperature, it doesn't dissolve in water. So, most triazocarbonate salts are insoluble in water, irrespective of the temperature. Let's increase the temperature back. You can see it boiling, but it still remains at the bottom of the container. Follow me for more tips. In our next lesson, we are going to be talking about other salts that are soluble in water. Today I was able to tell you that all salts containing group 1 metals are soluble in water. Also, those containing triazonitrate 5 radicals are highly soluble in water. See you in the next class, please.